Hello, I'm Dean Takahashi, lead writer for GamesBeat at VentureBeat, and we're here live from GTC 2024 talking with Dan Diasio from EY. And Dan, welcome. So why is EY at Nvidia GTC, and what are you guys discussing?
Thank you, Dean. So, I mean, this is the hottest company in the world, talking about the hottest technology in the world, and we see a lot of synergies between EY and Nvidia. Nvidia is the market leader in AI and edge computing, and EY is a market leader in transformation. We help our clients transform their business models and transform their operating models. We're really focused now on helping our clients build AI-powered businesses. So during this session, we're going to be talking about where we've had some success with some companies, and also learning from what's next in tech.
Well, we're in a very exciting time right now, I guess. What do you feel is ahead for AI in the coming year?
Yeah, so we're like 13 months into the beginning of the generative AI wave, and if last year would be characterized by a lot of experiments and a lot of proof of concepts, a lot of companies doing AI because they can instead of maybe doing it because they should, this year, 2024, is all about scale. And as organizations look to scale, there's three things that they're really focused on. First is they're kind of shifting from being bottoms up to more top-down focus, having a smaller set of initiatives that they're driving as opposed to a large portfolio. Second is that instead of just implementing technology as like an install, a service, a system implementation, they're more focused on reinventing business models and really reimagining the way the business can work. And third is that instead of just using a frontier model for everything, they're starting to move more towards fit-for-purpose models that leverage technology required to power their business.
Interesting. Yeah, tell me more. Like, how are organizations actually doing this, I guess?
Yeah, Dean, so since we're at NVIDIA, I'll talk about the third one, just to make it clear. So the third one, what we see is that many organizations are realizing that maybe I don't need the frontier model to be able to power all my business. And we've come up with a framework we call MIN, which is focused on the minimum intelligence necessary to be able to power an AI system. And this really involves three different components. So we look at the aptitude that's required for the AI system, we look at the technology that's required, the hardware that's required, and we also look at the data that's required. And I'll kind of summarize this in maybe a bit of a metaphor. So if we think about cars, there are clearly, if you're in a race and you want the best car in the world, clearly you want Formula One car. Those cars are quite expensive, like $15 million to be able to produce the car, and then you need a whole team to be able to maintain that car. That's what the frontier models are. For many organizations, they don't need a Formula One car to be able to go on a family vacation or to be able to get to work every day. And what we find is that organizations are finding much more small models that they might be able to fine-tune with their expertise that get to the same sorts of results as a frontier model.
Nice. So AI is getting more practical, really.
More practical, more scalable, and more cost-effective.
Thank you, Dan. So thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more sessions in the GTC catalog.
This is the face of EY.ai,
a unifying platform connecting EY's diverse people,
ecosystems, and leading technology capabilities. The face of confidence.
seeing opportunity and risk
from every angle. The face of the future.
Of people augmented and empowered by AI.
Find out how you can have confidence in the opportunities AI brings.